How to Get Indrive Promo Codes, 20 in 25 Step-by-Step Guide. Hey everyone, welcome back to How To Mastery. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to get Indrive promo codes so you can save money on your next ride. Let's get started. Step 1. Use official promo codes. First, open the Indrive app and make sure you're logged in. When booking your ride, tap on the promo code field. Try entering popular codes like Oladoc 15, Welcome 15, or Ride 15. These often give you 10 to 15% off for first-time rides. If a code is active, you'll see the discount apply immediately. Step 2. Use the referral program. Next, use the Indrive referral program. Open the app, go to Invite Friends under the menu, and share your unique link. When your friend takes their first ride, both of you get free ride credits or a discount. Easy savings for everyone. Step 3. Follow Indrive for exclusive offers. To get extra promo codes, follow Indrive on Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter. They often post limited-time deals, holiday offers, and giveaways, so turn on notifications and don't miss out. Step 4. Check in-app promotions. Also, keep an eye on banners inside the Indrive app. Sometimes you'll see pop-ups or notifications with special promo codes just for you, especially during festivals, weekends, or local events. Step 5. Use trusted coupon sites. If you want even more options, you can check trusted coupon sites like Wethrift, Grab-On, or Retail Me Not. Search Indrive promo code and copy a verified one to use in the app.